So these are our cookies. They are ready. And browning, that's how it should be, not darker brown. When they reach this point, they are almost becoming almost burnt. So you have to be very careful. They should be golden brown. You must be very careful with the thickness and then of course the browning. So like I said, I have two control samples. These ones I never glazed. These two, these ones were glazed. These ones, the browning, you can see what has happened, and the browning is okay when you glaze, and the shiny or the grossiness that is brought about by glazing. And then I'm saying that it's better not to remove your cookies from the baking trays before they cool. They should cool on the baking tray. That's when they become hard, and then they can keep for some good time. And during storage, it's better you pack them in an airtight container to avoid them from losing their moisture. Normally they lose moisture so that there is a balance between the moisture of the atmosphere and then that of the cookies. So it's better that you pack them in an airtight container, maybe for future use. And then you can see the one that is baked on a tray which is lined with a greaseproof paper, and then the one without a greaseproof. So we are lucky that this one is not burnt, but in most cases they end up burning at the base, and at times they normally have some funny appearance. So these are the cookies, and the cookies we've made today are made, we may call them the cinnamon cookies, simply because we've used cinnamon. If you add ginger, it's ginger cookies. If you add cocoa, then they are cocoa cookies. Then it depends on the spice you use. So that's how cookies are made. And when we are serving them, they should be served on a round plate. If you have doily papers, you can line with the doily paper and then you place your cookies. So that's how they are made. So next time when we meet, probably we'll have to look at some other snacks, probably biscuits, or we shall look at any of your choice. But for the meantime,